Hey, it's Griffin Sarah, and this is day 5 on this here bus.
And we are in an undisclosed location just east of the Grand Canyon.
Is that where we are? Alright, so battery's pretty much dead. I have to jump start it every time. We took a little spin in it the other day. It was great. But this is what they call I believe this is what they call an oil bath air cleaner. So we can't tip it over or anything when we're taking it out. So we're going to take that out later. Get us a new battery, put this whole thing in, and we should be able to spin around town. No problem. Start it wherever we want. Now, guys, I had to remove the battery, but in order to remove the battery, because the battery's bad, so got a new one. I'll put that in a minute. But in order to get in there, I had to remove the air cleaner. And this is an oil bath air cleaner. If you pop that top, there's a little layer of oil. It's the same oil as the car takes, which is SAE 30, I believe. Anyways, there's a new battery. I'm going to prep it up, pop it in, get this air cleaner back on. Air cleaner wasn't that hard to take off. There's just a little area where it was bolted down to right there, and basically covering the carburetor. Then you have this little hose. Well, the hose is actually on the air cleaner that goes into the oil. I forgot, an oil breather. I'm not sure what it's called. Anyway, we're going to get this all up and running so I can start this bus. Alright, got the battery back in. Now I just got to get the air cleaner in and we're good to go. I did start it up, fired up fine, no problem. Let's see what's drawn on this thing though. Who knows? Alright, got the air cleaner in. The oil looked good in it. I'm not going to clean that out yet. That's another adventure. I just want to get this battery situation taken care of. And there's where it's connected up to the carburetor. And this is an oil bath air cleaner. Crazy. Alright, got it up and running. Just warm up a little bit, but everything seems fine. We'll find out. See how long this battery holds up.
Gassed up the bus.
Yeah, we got 3/4 of a tank, so we're gonna take a little ride. Got the new battery. Air cleaner's back in. Just roll them over here.
Here we go.
There it goes. All right. Something. Get up into the third. There it is. A little tough to find the gears sometimes, but
Everybody loves the bus. Everybody smiles and waves. Aww. Especially when they hear the horn. Too funny.
okay. Which way does it care? Let me go. We're gonna go down there.
Hold on tight.
Yeah. Turn here. All right. Well, that's our second ride in the bus. My third.
Alrighty. Here we go.